Yeah.
So what's more dense? The water than the oil? What do you notice about the oil? What does it have in it?
Bubbles.
Bubbles, which is what?
And it looks like inside of it's ice.
What are inside bubbles?
Water.
And
Magma.
so when you go underwater and you go blow your air out of your mouth, what happens?
Magma comes out.
Well, not magma, but what?
Bubbles.
What's
Soap.
No, what's inside of you that you're breathing out?
Water. Air.
Air. So when you're underwater and you blow out air, what happens?
Bubble.
Bubbles. So what do you think's in here? In the bubbles?
Air.
Air. And is air more dense than water or less dense than water?
Less
Less
There's
dense.
a little dome, see? Oh,
Should we
yeah.
add some red?
Let's see what happens. It is floating. It's breaking.
Oh.
Oh, it's going down. And this stops at the bubble. What is the red?
So what can you tell
No,
about
it's
how
not.
dense the red is, the food coloring? Is it more or less dense than the oil?
You know what? It looks like it's covering it's covering the bottom.
Well, where did it sink to? Where did the food coloring sink to?
The bubbles.
Which is what? Oh,
I knew it would go through.
Oh, that's an octopus.
it's magic.
No, it's
pretty
blowing
cool.
up. It's an octopus.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Someone's
You look at
that's bleeding.
That is
No,
so
it's
cool.
not. It's blowing.
Oh, wow, I love how it drops to the bottom like that.
It's like in
They're like
It's
jellyfish.
like a
in the oil.
and then
like
pop.
It's like a forest. It's like a forest of red mist.
Ah, it is.
Then the kilo summons the bombs coming along. It looks like bombs.
Yeah.
Wow.
It looks like bombs. There's more.
Kind of look like tentacles.
Yeah.
Michelle, it kind of looks like bombs. It's like little
I don't know what bomb
Like
blowing looks like.
I don't want to know what they look like.
jellyfish vines.
You know what it looks like if you look at if you see those shows, the nature shows where they slow down the photography and the
They
raindrop
explode.
falls.
I know they do explode. I just don't know what they look like because I've never seen one.
Love those slow
Wow,
motion
look at
video
that.
things.
That is super
It's
cool.
like a big hot bubbles. No, it isn't.
It's
like it's
bleeding.
bleeding. Yeah. Hot.
Well, why did we choose red, do you think?
Can do a lava.
Like what? What is the lava before it gets out to the air?
We should try blue.
Magma.
And we should try.
I only brought red today.
Mine.
Okay.
I have yellow. Next.
I
All
need
right.
I don't have one.
I'm going to shake some salt in there. Okay? And the salt is going to be rocks today. So like the oil is the magma, the salt is going to be the rocks.
Okay.
Okay?
Let's see what happens.
It's pushing it down.
Oh,
It's pushing it down faster.
Ooh, and look at the bubbles.
It's like Earth falling down from the volcano.
So is the salt more or less dense than the oil in the water?
Now it's making
More dense, isn't it?
Now it's making them come up. You're making them come down.
And then they're going up.
It's like Rise of the Titanic. Yeah, the Titanic.
Well, when the salt's going down, what do you think it's taking with it?
The bubble.
What are bubbles filled with?
Air.
Air. So then after it comes down, what's happening to the bubbles?
Going
The air.
I noticed tentacles are coming down.
So what's the least dense out of all of this?
They're making oil.
Oil. What's the most dense?
And I know they're making some.
The salt. Yep.
I really wish we could make an explosion with little balls.
Well, right now we're just learning about magma and density and plumes.
Working on my book.
So when the rocks come down with the air in it and go into the earth, what happens?
They turn into bubbles.
What do they do?
They rise back
They
up.
rise back up
Like the rise in them.
like plumes.
And they rise back down. Lily, you're the highest one.
What do you think? What do you think, Lily? What do you see? What do you see in there, Lily?
I see red.
Magma.
What do you see, magma? What do you think?
So it's sucking in. And it talks.
I think you actually can see it better from the sides. Look at the sides. You can't really see it from the top as much.
I
can't see.
Well, why don't you come down and look on the sides, because you can see it better on the sides. Lil,
Yeah, Lily made
come
it.
off the table.
Salvador, step down, then you'll see it better.
Yeah, you can actually see. Here, I'll hold it up. Watch.
Oh, it's turning green.
Oh, look at. Oh. Can you see it better that way?
I wish they'd explode.
The more bubbles, the more.
Well, we did make a volcano. This is, so where is this right now since it's magma?
Inside the
Inside the earth.
Yeah. When are we gonna do our books?
You are persistent, Ellis.
What do you think? It's pretty cool, huh? I'll leave it here for a while and we can write down some observations if you'd like.
I'm
gonna work some more red. You want to add red?
Salvador, can you come back to
here.
the table,
Let's
please?
add red and see.
Thanks.
Here it goes.
Oh, wow.
The explosion.
Like an alien species.
I am
I can't see up there.
Well, I thought you might want to look from the bottom. Is it better that way?
Salvador, come on
it's
over, buddy.
harder that
Come on
way.
to the
Harder that
table.
way?
Put it there.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Hey, one got stuck.
I don't know where salt. What happens?
They'll start dropping.
Oh, boy, that is it.
So if you come off the table, I have some paper and you can draw it and write about it. Salvador, join us.
Oh, my book would make a good species for that.
Think so?
Yeah, because my book's about volcanoes. And I have about 1,000 books about volcanoes. I have 20.
There's your paper. If you want to draw it, Lily, can you come off the table?